How to link Bumble to Instagram. To link Bumble to Instagram, first of all, launch the Bumble application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on your profile icon from the bottom corner. Now, once you tap on this, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the edit profile option, or simply tap on your profile icon over here. From here, all you have to do is now scroll down past your bio and prompts until you see the connected accounts section. Once you find it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on this. From here, you should be able to find the Connect Instagram option. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it and then tap the yellow Connect Instagram button. Then enter your Instagram username and password to secure login and tap the allow to give the Bumble permission to view your media. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.